So I just went grocery shopping at Aldi and I got myself a new toy. Look at this, guys. Look at that beauty.
Hi. Me and my dad and my sister went to a toy and I saw big tentacles. And I didn't have a boot on my forehead and it's totally bleeding.
It's not bleeding anymore. But anyhow, in the Aldi Finds section, which if any of you have Aldis in your area, you know that Aldis are the best. And in the Aldi Finds, I got this super cool rotary tool, which I've been wanting. And actually last night, working on one of my projects, I'm like, God, I really need one of those little spinning Dremel things for this. And now I have one. $30. It was like 29 something. And look at all of those attachments that it comes with. It even comes with like the little sanding discs, and it is cordless, so it's battery powered. It comes with the charger and all of these super cool attachments.
What are this?
I love it.
Hi guys.
I'm so excited to use it.
Hi.
You little chipmunk with Woo! Okay, so the switch is on the bottom to turn it on. And it has a little setting thingy, which if it's just to change the settings. So if you are new to the power tool world, the rotary tool is kind of like if you've ever been to a nail salon and they have like that little mechanical spinning file that they use to shape your nails. It's like that, but cooler because you can use it on wood and other stuff. It's got all the attachments. Like this is what it would kind of look like at the nail salon. This little file thing. So excited. I can't wait to use it. Okay guys, let's turn it off. Let's not break it before Mommy gets to use it. Yay! If you want to see me use my cool new toy, make sure you stick around and subscribe to my channel.